everyone. I'm really touched and honored by this award tonight. And women empowerment, it means a lot to me and I think to everyone out here. And I'm very impressed with Lord Lumba's AV, and I think that if each one of us tries to do something for, with that kind of passion, we all will be really successful in life. Thank you.
This particular award or an honor makes you feel that you probably have touched hearts, stimulated minds. I think that's what a human being truly stands for. And today receiving this here from them and standing here amongst all of you, it's not just the best of industry, my industry, but best we have in this country. So this truly is an honor. So thank you so much WCRC for giving me this title under the pride of India. So something I really want to show my parents that finally I am a pride of India.
Thank you. That's what I like to say. It's nice when your hard work is rewarded, and especially ऐसे एक platform पे, because it's not just about acting and actors here. It's about people who have achieved something, considering all walks of life. So to be standing there amongst them and receiving an award for your performance in particular film just makes me feel that I've done something more than just good acting. It feels like you've touched hearts and minds of people.
और अमित जी के साथ काम करना कितना बड़ा अचीवमेंट है खुद में।
आप शायद मेरे पिंक के प्रमोशन के टाइम अगर मिलते तो मैं दोबारा ये इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे देती वहाँ पे भी, बट आई थिंक वी हैव गॉन बियॉन्ड दैट अब। अमित जी के साथ जितनी बारी भी परफॉर्मेंस करने का मौका मिलेगा वो कम है।
तब से यहाँ पर वीडियोस की बात की जा रही थी, वीडियोस को और आगे लेके जाने की बात करें, जो उनका हक है वो देने की। आप क्या सोचते हैं, आपकी राय जानना चाहते हैं?
आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ सो मेनी अदर कॉजेज दैट नीड टू बी एड्रेस्ड एक फीमेल के लिए। विडोज़ के साथ उनकी लाइफ कैसे मतलब बेटर करी जाए, उसके अलावा there's so much more to do. There's child education, especially female education. There's feticide that happens with females. There's so many other, there are all these crimes that happen against women in particular, domestic violence से लेके rape तक. So I think there's so many other causes that need to be addressed, this being one of them. So I'm really happy to see someone is doing so much for that particular cause.
I feel very special and very privileged because this is a very special award. It has a lot of meaning और ये औरों के लिए बहुत इंस्पिरेशन है। आई थिंक इफ आई कैन अदर women to achieve, I think मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा रिवॉर्ड वो भी होगा। एंड आई लाइक टू स्पेशली थैंक WCRC, Pride of India, and of course I'd like to salute Lord Lumba sir.
Do you want to disclose the international project you're working in?
Yes, there's a band called The Big Mountain जिनका एक बहुत ही फेमस गाना था Ooh baby I love your way, उनके साथ मेरा एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग गाना आने वाला है, रिलीजिंग ऑन वैलेंटाइंस डे।